Hello everyone! Welcome to our new house! Samahan niyo kong i-house tour ang aming bahay. Tara! So here we go. Welcome to our new house. Tara, pasok. So, once you enter the house, dito sa my right side is ang ating flex room. So, here we go. Ayan. So, hindi pa ako sure kung anong gagawin namin dito sa flex room, but yung iba is ginagawa tong office. Yung mga nag-work from home. Pwede din tong gawing extra bedroom. Talagyan lang ng pintuan dito. But for now, okay pa ako sa bedroom namin. So, it's gonna stay as this one. And then, when you go to this side, this is the powder room or the toilet. Yan. So, yan. Toilet and sink lang. And then, merong extra storage pagpasok mo ng bahay. So, yan. Merong mga, pwede kang maghang ng mga coats or lagay mo yung mga shoes dito. And mga extra paint yan from the house construction. Binigay na sa amin in case kailangan namin ng paint. So, going back from the hallway, pagpasok natin is our kitchen. So, this is our kitchen, guys. So, isa to sa pinaka-in-invest namin or in-upgrade. So, kung makikita nyo, this is made from quartz kasi sabi nila quartz daw is one of the pinakamatibay. And then, pati itong sink namin is in-upgrade namin from stainless. Parang ang tawag ata nila dito is farmhouse sink. Tapos, syempre, all black and gold, including the faucet. So, lahat yan, gold. And then, yung aming lutuan is gas. Kasi na-miss namin yung magluto ng apoy. Kasi sa Pilipinas is gamit natin ay apoy. So, from electric, we switch to gas. So, you have your microwave, your range, and you also have here your dishwasher. So, ayan. And then, yung fridge. And then, yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko dito sa kitchen is meron kaming pantry. So, ayan. So, parang kang merong mini grocery store. So, hindi mo na siya isisiksik sa mga cabinet. So, pwede mo na dito ilagay lahat ng dry goods. So, ayan. Tinatitilaw. So, as we walk through the kitchen, this is the dining area. So, I'm planning to buy a round table here. And then, this is the great room or the living area. So, ayan. Pakalaki ng space. Then, dito namin isasabit yung aming TV. And then, we chose to have an accent wall. So, everything from here up to the end of the dining is black. Para medyo may kulay yung bahay, hindi lang siya all white. So, minatch namin to sa color ng aming cabinets. So, this is the patio door. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung backyard namin. Very spacious pa siya. So, pwede pa kayong maglaro or marami pang magagawa dyan. And then, going here is our mudroom. Mudroom yung tawag nila dito kasi ito yung way from the garage and then the laundry area going to your house. So, ayan, meron na din tayong washer and dryer and then mga hooks for the bags and the coats. So, once you open this one, you'll go straight to the garage. So, this garage can fit 2 cars. Ay, sarado muna natin to. Ayan. So, there as you can see, pwede siyang mag-parking ng 2 sasakyan. And this is an automatic garage door. So, yan. Kusa na siyang mag-open and close. So, yun. Very spacious din tong garage area namin. So, see? So, ang maganda dito sa garage door na to is meron siyang sensor sa left and right. So, masisense niya kung may naka-block or nakaharang na kahit ano dito. para siyang safety feature. So, hindi siya bababa kahit pindutin mo kapag merong nakaharang dito sa part na to. Para walang maipit ba. So, let's go back inside. So, going back here, again, this is the kitchen, the living room, and then this one is the basement. So, yung basement is unfinished pa kasi medyo expensive yung magpa-renovate ng basement. But in the future, sana pa-renovate natin to. So, tara. So, very plain lang talaga siya. As in, wala pa kaming in-upgrade na kahit ano dito sa basement. Pero, ang laki pa din ng space ng basement. Pwede ka pang magpagawa ng kwarto. And then, ready na to for toilet and bathroom. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Ready na to for toilet and bathroom dito in case maisip nyo na magpagawa ng panibagong toilet and bath. And then, there's a big space pa here. And then, dito din, malaki din yung space. And nandito lahat ng utilities nyo, like yung water and heater. So, ayan. Nandito lahat yan sama-sama. So, ayan. Marami pa akong plano dito sa basement. Pero, mag-ipon muna tayo ng pera. So, ayan. Pati itong ilalim ng stairs, pwede pang gawing storage area. Let's go back. So, isa nga pala sa mga in-invest din namin dito is yung mga ilaw ng bahay. Bali, from standard, nag-upgrade din kami. So, yun yung mga team namin. Parang nasa spaceship. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo yan, including this one. So, yan. Yung sa kitchen namin. And then, also, yung sa stairs. Kasi may high ceiling dito sa stairs namin. So, pag akyat mo dito, unang makikita mo is itong napakagandang ilaw na ito. So, ayan guys. Yan, sa mga favorite kong part ng aming bahay. Diba? Parang kang nasa spaceship or outer space. Ganun. Tara, akyat. So, this is the second floor. This is a 3-bedroom. So, there is a 3-bedroom here. Yung first bedroom is this one. So, for this one, I'm planning to make this as my studio para may sarili na akong space pag nag-vlog, nag-record. So, since tatlo lang naman kami dito, this one is gonna be my studio. So, may mga built-in cabinets na to. So, yan. May mga, ano bang tawag dito? Basta parang metal na pwede mong patungan or sabitan ng mga hanger. So, ayan. And then, going to the second bedroom. So, this one is gonna be my son's bedroom. Siya yung namili nito. Say hi!
Hi, welcome to my bedroom.
So, ayan. Ang ganda lang dito is kita mo yung view sa labas. Yung view ng neighborhood. So, do you like your room? And then, so sa second floor, meron tayong common bathroom. So here's the common bathroom. You have your own bathtub, toilet, and your own sink. And this one sink is made of Korean. Parang ganun yung tawag nila if I'm not mistaken. So this one is yung lababo niya is molded na. So connected na siya sa sink mo talaga. Kumbaga, hindi na papasok yung tubig sa gitna. Unlike nung mga old style na pwede pang pasukan ng tubig yung loob ng sink mo. So, same din sa baba. Black cabinets din. But this time, more on silver yung mga handles niya. Para mag-partner din siya sa mga handles nung sa may bathtub. And then, this bedroom is the master's bedroom. So, ayan. So, ito lang yung bedroom na pinalagyan namin ng fan, ng ceiling fan. Kasi, ewan ko, gusto kasi namin na natutulog na may fan. Nasanay siguro sa Pilipinas na may electric fan. And then, nagpalagay din kami ng wall lampshade. Para yung kapag nakahiga na kayo, tapos gusto nyo lang ng konting ilaw, hindi na kayo tatayo dun sa switch. Ayan lang. Pwede na lang siyang ma-reach ng ganyan. So, we also have our own bathroom sa master's bedroom. So, ito. So, meron siyang dalawang sink. Siyempre, for your husband and for me. So, ayan. Same lang din nung design from the common bathroom outside. But for this one, we also added a bathtub. Dapat dito, mostly kasi dito sa master's bedroom is walk-in shower lang. Pero kami is pinili na namin na i-bathtub kasi mahilig kami lahat mag-bathtub. So, ayan, same lang lahat nung nakita nyo from the other bathroom. The only difference is that this bathroom has its own walk-in closet. So, over here is meron ng very spacious, na walk-in closet. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo, ang daming malalagay dito, ang daming storage. Kasyang-kasya na lahat ng damit. Dito pa, merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 storage dyan. So, ayan. And there is an entrance here if we go to the attic. You know. Pero hindi naman natin kailangan puntahan yan. In case lang na kailangan puntahan. So, let's go here sa patio. So, ayan guys. So, marami pang construction kasi new neighborhood to. So, marami pang mga bahay na itatayo dito. But so far, this is our patio. So, we have a deck kasi medyo elevated yung bahay. And sa makikita nyo, ito pa yung area na sakop nitong bahay. So, everything here is sa amin pa. Yan. So, yeah, marami pang space. Pwede pa maglaro dyan. So, yan. So, very spacious dito. And then, this is a corner lot. So, bukod dito sa backyard namin is meron pang area sa bandang gilid namin. So, yun lang guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong mini house tour natin. See you on my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!